Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the stress induced in the vertical tapered section. Now focus on the example data. We have given a tapered rod fixed at top end having 25 mm diameter in upper 1 meter length. It means we have given the diameter as a 25 mm up to the height as a 1 meter, as well as 16 mm diameter in the raised 0.7 meter length. It means the bottom length is given as 0.75 meter having the diameter as a 16 mm. Now next data is given as a weight of 100 Newton is allowed to slide freely on the road through bottom 120 mm. It means the height of this road having the weight as a 100 Newton is slide up to 120 mm height, and we have to calculate maximum stresses which is induced in the vertical tapered rod. So first of all, if we assume the top bar as a to B part and bottom bar as a B to C part, then the area of AB part is pi by 4 into 25 square, which is equal to 490.63 mm square. Similarly, area of BC part is pi by 4 into 16 square, which is equal to 200.96 mm square. Now, this tapered bar is connected in the series, and for series connection, force in A to B part must be equal to force in B to C part. Now we know that stress can be written as force divided by area. It means that force can be calculated by stress into area. So putting up the equation force as a stress into area, we have stress in AB part into area of AB part, which is equal to stress in BC part into area of BC part. We have area of both the part as 490.63 and 296. So let us put this value in this equation. We have hence we have relation sigma AB, which is equal to 0.41 times sigma B to C. Now, if we calculate the total energy stored in the rod, then we have to calculate energy stored in the AB part plus energy stored in B to C part. Now, energy stored in A to B part can be calculated by sigma AB square by twice the epsilon into volume of A to B. It means area of AB into length of A to B part, plus for BC part it is sigma BC square by twice E into volume as a area BC into length B to C part. Now let us put all the values. We will have sigma AB square as a 0.41 sigma BC divided by 2 times epsilon as a 2 into 10 raised to 5 into area as a 490.63 and length as a 1 meter, which is 1000 mm, plus for B to C part it is sigma BC square as a constant 2 into 2 into 10 raised to 5. Now area of BC part as a 200.96 and length of BC is given as 0.75 meter. It means 750 mm. Now solving this term, we have total energy stored in the rod as a U total energy, which is 0.5579 into sigma Bc square. So our total energy stored using the equation UAB plus UBC is 0.5579 into sigma Bc square. Now let us going ahead for the total work done by the given Kolar system. As now the work done can be calculated by equation P into falling height plus delta L. Now for given tapered section, if we neglect delta L, or we can say that delta L is assumed to be 0, then our value is P into H. Now P is given as 100 and height is given as 120 mm. So total work done is 12,000 Newton into mm. Now we know that for any connection we have total work done, which is equal to total strain energy. 12,000 Newton into mm and total strain energy is 0.5579 into sigma Bc square. Now if we solve this term, we have sigma Bc square, which is equal to 21509.23 and sigma Bc, which is equal to 146.66 Newton per mm square. So stress in the bottom part is 146.66 Newton per mm square, and from the relation of sigma AB is equal to 0.41 sigma BC, we have sigma AB as a 60.13 Newton per mm square in top 1 meter part. So we can say that in the bottom part our stress is maximum, while in the top part our stress is minimum. So thus we can calculate the stress in tapered section. Thank you.